have prepared two projects that are so different from one another. And both of them have something special I've never seen before in NFT projects. So I'm super excited to show this to you. Once again, I'm Lesa. This is NFT Rex. Let's go. Yeah, so Bone Ducks. What is this all about? Bone Ducks, it is a play to earn NFT. You join the battle and there's gonna be a token, kind of $ snail, free mint for whitelist members. So getting a whitelist here is very, very beneficial. Stop launching, loading, and Discord is locked, so very kind of secretive, and they haven't published much of the art yet. But okay, looks good. I mean, I'm a sucker for this kind of pixelated art and the games as well, so I don't know, I like it. And it all started in December 2021. They have 8.8k followers, so it has been a long time, not that big following yet, but they do have something to offer. Okay, so they said minting soon. They will not announce that it will be a stealth mint. Means that they want to mitigate the number of bots when the launch happens. It's just gonna be for the people who really follow the project intently. They will be the only ones to be able to just follow up and possibly do some secondhand purchasing. And the team is kind of doxed. I mean, they're not the real names or anything, but they do have their Twitters attached. Assembly already happened and all on board. So complete minting phase 1 battle for snails. So this is when they will publish the game. And something that I think is really interesting. So people will be able to take NFTs from other people within the game. So that is like really high risk and probably high reward. So are you of the people who really like to gamble? For me, I think that would be too much of a gamble. And what would be the mint price? It is gonna be 0.085 ETH for each one of them and 500 whitelists. And how to get a whitelist? Yes, well, spots are earned by participating in our Twitter contests and giveaways. So yeah, just follow Twitter, the little band thing, and yes, just to maybe the lucky one to get a whitelist. Here they will display the stealth launch. How do I join Discord? Well, just follow them. Okay, so they emphasize here that they want to have organic members in their Discord, so they just don't want anyone to access it. That is pretty much it. They do have a white paper here, but not much of a difference compared with the website. So the project looks cool, the game looks cool. I'd love to play. They say it's gonna be a strategy game where you can just use a couple of your NFTs. You will be able to use it at the same time. And I think this will be really cool. I cannot wait for this one. So let's see what's gonna happen with it. Yeah, well, this project, it definitely is something special. And I must start with the art. It looks amazing. Here are the NFTs and kind of turtles, but looking human-like, very human-like. And I don't know, looks really cool. Got to use that. The co-founder of the project, he is spending a whole bunch of money just for the professional artists, and it shows. Terrapin Genesis, and the price is free. So if you get on their Discord, invites only, you're getting a whitelist immediately, and minting will be free, just gas money. Of course, supply only 333. So this is something kind of unique, and they already have like 30k people on Twitter. Supply is only 333. So there is a huge demand and not a big supply. So if nothing, this could be such a good second-hand market. They're writing a lot over here, so friendly reminder, we will never stealth launch. We will never DM you, and our mint will be free. You only pay gas, and yes, only use the links to join. So beware of scammers. And here, of course, they're showcasing the art, and it is looking really cool. So let's check out the founders. And there are two of them. So first is this guy Domas. He joined in August 2021. Okay, this guy Domas, he has a quite decent following of 4.5k, and I don't know much about him. I did read some of his tweets, and I especially like this one where he's talking about ERC721R, which is kind of introducing the anti-rug contract standard. You should definitely read about it. I will leave a link down below. So this will maybe kind of a remedy for all the rug pulls happening in the community. They're probably gonna implement this when they launch the NFT. So yes, I don't know, sounds cool. Second co-founder is Alan HM, NFT investor and project advisor, co-founder of course of this project, and a crypto NFT YouTuber. Yeah, so you can definitely check out his YouTube. I don't know, I sometimes watching he's pretty cool in my opinion. And yes, of course, on his Twitter there are many postings about this particular project because 5k subscribers, so he can reach many people. And this project kind of reminds me of this project Gojira with only 332, so they just upped one. And it did, of course, you can see 15 ETH is the floor price. They hope to achieve this kind of success. The art of Gojira is arguably not as good compared with the Terrapin Genesis, but of course it just depends on your likings. Yeah, as always, I'm only talking about the projects here on the channel that I think have some potential to actually make it big. So these two projects, yeah, could be. I mean, they have some new stuff, and so far it has been proven that NFT community really respects any kind of novelty and promotion. So this new kind of anti-rug pull contracts, I don't know, I'm super excited about them. Just alleviates all the anxiety about, oh, is this gonna be a rug pull or not? So guys, take a look at it, do your own research. Thank you so much for your time. May the odds be in your favor.